morning. My name is Dr. Kumar Sukraj, and I will be doing a short talk on the ABC of diabetes. As we all may know, diabetes is a disorder of abnormal blood sugar level. Diabetes can be of two types, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes is when the pancreas does not produce any insulin. Patient may need to take insulin as a substitute. Type 2 diabetes is when the pancreas is either producing insulin but in a small quantity, or the cells are not readily accepting insulin, which we call insulin resistant. Diabetes in Guyana is a problem. There are more than 30,000 Guyanese who are affected with diabetes. Almost 1/3 of this population, they do not know that they have diabetes. Sad to say that diabetes is the 4th leading cause of death in Guyana. Recently, there has been an increase in the incidence of diabetes in the Amerindian population. For diabetes, when someone is diagnosed with this disease, they can be treated. Also, when complications arise, it can be managed. However, the primary aim is to stop diabetes. There is need for more urgency in prevention and management of diabetes. Diabetes can be fatal. Sometimes people get cancer and they do everything within their capacity to get better. However, there are many people who are diagnosed with diabetes and they don't always take it seriously. There are many cases of type 2 diabetes out there that is undiagnosed. And also, there are many cases that can be prevented. Diagnosis of diabetes can be done either taking a fasting blood glucose, an oral glucose tolerance test, or hemoglobin A1C. Whatever method is used to diagnose your diabetes, what is important to note that you need management and effective care for your diabetes. There are many risk factors for diabetes, type 2 diabetes. Obesity or poor eating habits, family history of diabetes, sedentary lifestyle, we're not very active, we do not exercise, we sit home, we look at television, we eat junk food. People or persons with gestational diabetes, for female, that is diabetes during pregnancy. People who are smoking and also increase in age can be a risk factor for diabetes. Regular screening for type 2 diabetes is needed in order to prevent diabetes and also to effectively manage diabetes in Guyana. Once you're 45 years or older, once you would have had a family history of diabetes, once you have a history of high blood pressure, or you're smoking, or a history of gestational diabetes, or any previously documented abnormal blood glucose, you need to be screened for diabetes. Diabetic complications may include eye disease, which can lead to blindness, kidney disease, heart disease, stroke, nerve damage, liver disease, amputation, and infection, which can be quite out of control. For us to avoid complications of diabetes, what we need to do is to aim for good blood glucose or blood sugar control, good blood pressure control, good cholesterol control, and we need to eat a healthy diet and include physical activities into our life. It is scary, however, to know of the increase in incidence of diabetes in our country. Please understand that once you're diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, it is time that you seek treatment. For those of you who never know that you have diabetes, it is time for you to be screened. Once diagnosed with diabetes, it is time to commemorate the past, to capitalize the present, and to enhance the future. Once you're diagnosed with diabetes, always ensure that you have your hemoglobin A1C done, your blood pressure is under control, and your cholesterol is under control. The ABC of diabetes will help to prevent the onset of complications of diabetes. Hemoglobin A1C. This is a test that measures how much sugar have been sticking to the red blood cell for a period of 3 months. Hemoglobin A1C can be used to assess whether your control method for diabetes is working, and also it can be used to diagnose diabetes. Ensure that whenever you're diagnosed as being a diabetic, your hemoglobin level stays, or your hemoglobin A1C level stays less than 7%. For your blood pressure, many adults with diabetes have high blood pressure. High blood pressure increases your risk for kidney disease, heart attack, stroke, and so on. Your target blood pressure in diabetes for the top value, or what we call the systolic value, it should be less than 130, and the bottom value, or the diastolic value, should be less than 80. Ensure, in order to control your blood pressure, ensure that you have a diet that is low in sodium, low in salt. Exercise daily, at least 5 times per week for half of an hour, and take your prescribed medication that was given to you by your doctor. Cholesterol is often a common problem in people with diabetes. Once cholesterol is high, it increases their risk for heart disease, stroke, and peripheral vascular disease, which can lead to amputation of limbs. A person with diabetes must ensure that their total cholesterol is less than 200. Their good cholesterol, or what we call HDL, should be greater than 40. Bad cholesterol, or LDL, should be less than 100. Always remember that once you're diabetic, you are at a high risk of heart disease and stroke. Please do not smoke. Please control your cholesterol level. Please treat your blood pressure and allow it to be at target. Use a daily aspirin is also recommended for people with high blood pressure and high cholesterol. In order to prevent complications from happening when you're diabetic, you need to understand diabetes is common. Diabetes is costly on the individual and also on the healthcare system of a country. Diabetes can be fatal. You need to manage diabetes, you need to manage your blood pressure, you need to manage your cholesterol, and by doing that you can reduce the risk of complications of diabetes. Type 2 diabetes can be prevented or delayed. Pre-diabetic patients or persons who are on the verge of becoming a diabetic can delay their onset by proper lifestyle or effective lifestyle changes, that is, incorporate exercise and diet into their daily regime, also stop smoking and moderate consumption of alcohol. Avoid excess consumption of alcohol. Thank you for listening, and remember, if you don't know whether you're diabetic or not, please go for screening. If you're already a diabetic, please work along with your healthcare professional to manage your diabetes. That is, listen to their advice and take your medicine. And for those of you who have already complications of diabetes, you need to seek help from your healthcare professional and help with rehabilitation of your complication. Thank you very much for listening. I'm Dr. Kumar Sukraj saying good night.